Welcome, 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 beautiful souls. I'm beyond excited to have each and every one of you here with me today. I'm truly grateful for your presence. Let's dive into some amazing content together. Have you ever considered how what we eat impacts our lung health? It's pretty fascinating. Our lungs are crucial for breathing in oxygen and expelling toxins, but they can also benefit greatly from the nutrients we consume. Think about it just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly. Our bodies need the right foods to function optimally. So what can we eat to support our lung health? Our lungs are incredible organs, vital for our survival and overall health. Just like we prioritize keeping our homes clean and our bodies healthy, it's equally important to care for our lungs. Clean lungs are not just about breathing easier, they are central to our overall well-being. Today I'm excited to share with you some powerful allies in the quest for clean, healthy lungs, certain foods that can significantly contribute to our respiratory well-being. So, let's dive into this culinary journey and discover the delicious foods that can help us achieve cleaner, healthier lungs. So, without further ado, let's roll up our sleeves and delve into the vibrant array of foods that can help us breathe easier and live healthier lives. Are you ready? Let's begin. Discover the top 8 foods that are champions in promoting clean, healthy lungs. Number 1. Salmon and other fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA-eicosapentaenoic acid and DHA-docosahexaenoic acid, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the lungs can contribute to various respiratory conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), and bronchitis. Exposure to air pollutants such as particulate matter and volatile organic compounds can damage lung tissue and contribute to respiratory issues. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of omega-3 fatty acids help mitigate the harmful effects of air pollution on the respiratory system, providing an added layer of protection for lung health. Asthma is characterized by inflammation and constriction of the airways, leading to symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. The anti-inflammatory effects of omega-3 fatty acids may help alleviate these symptoms and improve asthma control, allowing individuals to breathe more easily and comfortably. Lung regeneration is a complex process involving the repair and replacement of damaged lung tissue. Omega-3 fatty acids play a role in this process by promoting the production of specialized cells called progenitor cells, which contribute to tissue repair and regeneration. By supporting lung regeneration, fatty fish consumption may help restore lung function and integrity. Number 2. Oranges and citrus fruits. Oranges and citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports lung health in several ways. Vitamin C helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the lungs, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This antioxidant activity helps protect lung tissues from damage and promotes overall respiratory function. Citrus fruits have a refreshing and invigorating quality that can provide a quick pick-me-up for the respiratory system. The zesty aroma and flavor of citrus fruits can help clear nasal passages, stimulate the senses, and promote feelings of alertness and vitality, making them a refreshing addition to meals and snacks, especially during times of respiratory congestion or fatigue. Oranges and citrus fruits have high water content, which helps keep the respiratory mucous membranes hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining the integrity of the respiratory tract and supporting the proper function of cilia, tiny hair-like structures that help remove mucus and debris from the airways. Citrus fruits have been traditionally used in folk medicine for their respiratory benefits, including the relief of coughs, congestion, and respiratory discomfort. The natural acids and phytochemicals present in citrus fruits have expectorant and decongestant properties, helping to loosen phlegm, clear respiratory passages, and alleviate respiratory symptoms associated with colds, flu, and allergies. Number 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are known to support heart health by promoting healthy circulation. Good blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen to all parts of the body, including the lungs. By supporting circulation, pomegranates can help ensure that the lungs receive an adequate supply of oxygen for optimal function. Some studies suggest that the compounds in pomegranates may have anti-cancer properties, including against lung cancer. While more research is needed in this area, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects of pomegranates may contribute to their potential ability to prevent or slow the progression of certain types of cancer. Pomegranates have antimicrobial properties that may help protect against respiratory infections caused by bacteria or viruses. Consuming pomegranates regularly as part of a balanced diet may help support the immune system's ability to fend off respiratory pathogens. Pomegranates may have mucolytic effects, meaning they can help break down and expel mucus from the respiratory tract. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with respiratory conditions such as bronchitis or chronic bronchial congestion, as it can make breathing easier and reduce the risk of infection. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are also good sources of magnesium, an essential mineral that plays a role in lung function and respiratory health. Magnesium helps relax the muscles of the airways, which can improve breathing and reduce the severity of respiratory symptoms. Additionally, magnesium supports the body's natural detoxification pathways, helping to eliminate harmful substances from the lungs and other tissues. Many nuts and seeds are high in dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and may indirectly benefit lung function. Good digestion is essential for overall well-being, as it ensures the efficient absorption of nutrients needed for optimal lung health. Additionally, a healthy gut microbiome contributes to a strong immune system, which is crucial for protecting the lungs from infections and inflammation. Some nuts and seeds, such as peanuts, almonds, and sesame seeds, contain L-arginine, an amino acid that supports the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to the lungs and enhancing and delivery to tissues. This can contribute to better lung function, especially in individuals with respiratory conditions like asthma. Nuts and seeds contain various phytonutrients, including flavonoids, lignans, and phytosterols, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. These phytonutrients help protect the lungs from damage caused by environmental toxins and pathogens, supporting overall respiratory health. Number 5. Honey. Honey has a soothing effect on the throat and airways, which can help alleviate coughing and irritation. Honey can help keep the airways moist, which is important for maintaining healthy lung function, especially in dry or arid environments. Some research suggests that certain types of honey may have antiviral properties, which could help combat respiratory viruses like the influenza virus or respiratory syncytial virus (RSV). While more studies are needed to fully understand honey's antiviral effects, its use as a natural remedy for respiratory infections is supported by traditional and anecdotal evidence. Honey contains carbohydrates, which provide a quick source of energy. Consuming honey before physical activity or exercise can help support respiratory muscle function, improving breathing efficiency and endurance. Honey can be combined with other natural ingredients such as lemon, ginger, or herbal teas to create homemade remedies for respiratory health. These combinations may enhance honey's beneficial effects, providing additional antioxidants, vitamins, and immune-boosting properties. Number 6. Mushroom. Some mushrooms exhibit antimicrobial properties, which may help protect against respiratory infections caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. By inhibiting the growth of pathogens, mushrooms may help prevent or alleviate respiratory illnesses. Some mushrooms, such as oyster mushrooms, contain compounds that have mucolytic properties. These compounds may help break down and expel mucus from the respiratory tract, which can be beneficial for individuals with conditions like bronchitis or chest congestion. Certain mushrooms contain natural compounds with antibacterial properties that may help prevent or alleviate bacterial respiratory infections. These compounds can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the respiratory tract, reducing the risk of conditions like pneumonia and bronchitis. Consuming certain mushrooms, such as reishi and lion's mane, may help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Chronic stress can negatively impact lung health by weakening the immune system and exacerbating respiratory conditions, so managing stress effectively is crucial for maintaining lung wellness. Number 7. Spices and herb. Some spices and herbs have expectorant properties, meaning they can help thin mucus and make it easier to expel from the lungs. This may be beneficial for individuals with respiratory conditions characterized by excess mucus production, such as bronchitis or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Herbs with expectorant properties include licorice root, fennel, eucalyptus, and peppermint. Some spices and herbs may have vasodilator effects, meaning they can widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Better blood circulation can enhance oxygen delivery to lung tissues, supporting their function and overall health. Cayenne pepper, for example, contains capsaicin, which may promote vasodilation and improve circulation. Allergies can exacerbate respiratory symptoms and contribute to respiratory discomfort. Certain herbs and spices have natural antihistaminic properties that can help alleviate allergy-related respiratory symptoms. Herbs like nettle leaf and butterbur are often used to reduce allergic reactions and support respiratory health. Spices and herbs can support the body's natural defense mechanisms against respiratory infections and irritants. They may stimulate the production of immune cells, enhance mucosal immunity in the respiratory tract, and support the function of the mucociliary escalator, which helps remove foreign particles and pathogens from the lungs. Number 8. Yogurt. Emerging research suggests that there is a bidirectional communication pathway between the gut and the lungs known as the gut-lung axis. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is crucial for regulating immune responses and inflammation throughout the body, including in the lungs. Probiotics from yogurt and fermented foods help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which may positively influence lung health. Digestive issues like acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD) can exacerbate respiratory conditions like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Yogurt with probiotics may help support digestive health and reduce symptoms of acid reflux, indirectly benefiting lung health. Some studies suggest that maintaining a healthy weight can help support lung function and reduce the risk of respiratory issues. Yogurt can be a part of a balanced diet that supports weight management. Some research suggests that maternal consumption of probiotic-rich foods like yogurt during pregnancy and breastfeeding may influence the development of the infant's immune system, including the lungs. However, more studies are needed to confirm these effects conclusively. Eating a variety of these foods as part of a balanced diet can help keep your lungs healthy and your body strong. Remember to drink plenty of water, avoid smoking, and stay away from things that can harm your lungs, like pollution or chemicals. I want to take a moment to sincerely thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Your support means the world to me, and I'm truly grateful for your viewership.